Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 to who knows when Jeep Wrangler JL. We put a 3.5-inch rough country stage 2 lift on it. It has a coil spacer instead of the spring, and some 20x10 fuel sledges, and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply. So real quick, our tips and tricks on this rough country lift. There aren't very many. However, you do have to replace your drive shaft. So make sure that you have the extensions to reach all the way back to the transfer case to loosen those bolts. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you have a gear puller so that you can pull the old coupling for the factory drive shaft, and then to put the new one on, you just throw the new one on and throw the nut on and tighten it in. Besides that, there are control arm relocation brackets in the front. You're going to want to make sure that you leave all of your control arms loose. If you start tightening one side and try to go to the other side, it's not going to let the axle have enough room to wiggle and play in order to get your other bolts in. So when using those control arm brackets, make sure that you keep them loose. Besides that, super happy with how it turned out. I know we don't have fenders on it, but I'm scared we're not gonna have time to do this video with the fenders. We Kevlar'd the Jeep. We painted the shocks and the springs and the sway bar links and the control arm drop brackets and the drive shaft red to accent the interior, black and red leather. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy a 2018 JL already done, already like that. I don't want to go to the dealer, buy it, then bring it to you and have you lift it. I just want it already done. What's great is that we're going to start posting the dealer's inventory on our website, central-alps.com. We'll have an inventory page. And what it will do is it will have all the vehicles that we've already built for our dealers there for you to go through, pick, and then just go to the dealer and buy, and it's already done. Besides that, if you want to order any of these parts, whether it's the tires and the wheels or the lift, or maybe even a Kevlar job, or some fender flares, or some bumpers, or a hood, or some lights, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.